App silent install and keep alive. 1. Silent install. Go to Applications. App Store. Add app. Upload app. Select app. App uploading. Save. App successfully added. Check the app. Click Push App. Select the target device group. Save. Go to App Groups. Select App. Click Action button. Select Silent Install. A prompt message pops up on the device. At the same time the app is installed. To keep app alive, turn on the app Keep Alive switch. The app is called immediately. Delete the app process in the background. It will be recalled according to the polling time you set. If you want to call up the app immediately, you can open the Keep Alive switch again. EasyControl MDM Expert.